Hello everyone, here we have the example of rate of change. A patient is being fed intravenously from the conical shaped bottle of maximum radius 4 inches and the height 10 inches. So now meaning that the R is equals to 4 and the H is equals to 10. If the rate of the flow is 28 cubic inches per hour, so meaning that we have dV dt is equals to negative 28. Find the rate of which the fluid level is dropping. The fluid level means that the value of H. So meaning that our focus will be dH dt. Automatically we know will be the negative because dropping in the bottle when the level is at 8 inches means that H is equals to 8. When the level is at 2 inches, H is equals to 2. So now we have two situations when H is equals to 8 and H is equals to 2. So first extract the info. Second, state the formula. In here we have a cone, so V will be equals to pi r square H over 3. Here we have the situation is V in terms of R and H. So what we are trying to do is to switch the situation or modify the situation so that it become in terms of R or H. So now what we have to do is to have the chain rule. So what is the chain rule? Focus will be dH dt equals to multiplication of dV dt with dH dV. From here, we notice that we are going to have V in terms of H instead of R. So now we are going to make use of the ratio so that we can simplify the situation. So where we can have the situation, kindly refers to the right angle triangle. So previously we have here over H and here as a R. So the R is equals to 4 at the maximum. Same goes to the H, which is the 10 as the maximum. So now we have the situation changing. The R keep on changing. So meaning that when the R is changing, same goes to the H. So we have 4 over 10 equals to R over H for the ratio. So try to make use that the R become the subject. So R is equals to 4H over 10. Simplify, R will be equals to 2H over 5. Kindly substitute the situation into the equation V so that we have V in terms of H. So now V is equals to pi H over 3 bracket R square, where we have 2H over 5 square. Simplify, so pi H bracket 4H square over 3 bracket 25. So V will be equals to 4 pi H cube over 75. Then do remember differentiate the V respect to H. So dV dH will be equals to 3 bracket 4 pi H square over 75. Simplify the situation, 4 pi H square over 25 for the VDDH. Before we substitute the situation, do remember to flip the situation so that we have dH dV. So now we have dH dt is equals to dV dt. So in here the dV dt is negative 28. Multiply with 25 over 4 pi H square. Simplify, 28 over 4 we have 7. So dH dt is equals to negative 7 multiply with 25 over pi H square. So finally we have dH dt is equals to negative 175 over pi h squared. So based on the question, when the h is equals to 8, what is the dh dt? So kindly substitute negative 175 over pi bracket 64. So negative 175 over 64, and we will have negative 175 over 64 pi inches per hour. Or we can express the answer as negative 0.87 inches per hour for dH dt. If the h is 2, so we are going to substitute the value 2, and we will have negative 175 over 4 pi. Or the answer would be negative 175 divided by 4 pi. And you will have negative 13.9 inches per hour. So here we are, and thanks for watching.